Vaccinating children will be the focus of a school holidays blitz, after worrying new figures revealed 1 in 10 of WA's hospitalised COVID cases are in primary school. The news comes as 6,466 new COVID cases and 3 historical S were reported overnight, with 3 men all in their 50s having on April 2nd. Health Minister Amber-Jade Sanderson revealed the numbers at a press conference at Kings Park on Saturday morning, and said the new steps were being taken in response to low juvenile vaccination rates. We know that the unvaccinated are making up a third of hospitalizations, and another third are people who have only had 2 jabs, she said. Camera icon Health Minister Amber-Jade Sanderson releases the daily COVID figures. Kelsey Reid of the West Australian. Children are making up a significant portion of hospitalizations. Perth Children's Hospital, on a busy day, are seeing 30 children a day with COVID. Over the past 7 days, 16,296 school children across WA tested positive for COVID, including 8,793 from private schools and 7,503 at government schools. Another 1,535 teachers caught the virus in the past week, with outbreaks detected in 918 schools, 660 public, and 258 private. The latest data shows 593 West Australians with COVID were admitted to hospital between March 28 and April 3, with 9.6% of these patients aged under 10. Ms. Sanderson said Taking It to the Streets vaccination campaign would see a number of pop-up clinics for children located at Perth and country locations. Locations included the Perth Zoo, which will run 3 days of pop-up clinics, where every child vaccinated will receive a free entry pass to the zoo. Other locations include the May Drive Parkland Playground in Kings Park, Bibra Lake, Whiteman Park, the Mundaring Sculpture Park, Lake Lescanorcia, and other locations in Wanneroo, Rockingham, Mandurah and Yanchep. The Perth Convention and Exhibition Centre COVID-19 vaccination clinic will have a focus on children throughout the school holidays, with visits from Captain Starlight and the ever-lovable therapy dogs, while clown doctors will visit the Claremont Vaccination Clinic. Your cookie settings are preventing this third-party content from displaying. If you'd like to view this content, please adjust your cookie settings. To find out more about how we use cookies, please see our cookie guide. Community vaccination clinics will also continue to provide children's vaccinations throughout the school holidays, with appointments available on Vaccinate WA. However, walk-ins are welcome. Regional children will also have greater access to their community clinics with extended opening times and days, as well as mobile clinics travelling to the districts. We know vaccination is the best defence against COVID-19 in protecting Western Australians from serious illness or hospitalisation, Ms. Sanderson said. These school holidays, we have partnered with some fantastic attractions to bring a fun and different approach to vaccination. I urge all parents and carers to take advantage of these opportunities to protect our children and families against COVID-19 during the holidays. Despite the seriousness of the news for children, Ms. Sanderson said COVID numbers were showing signs of easing. The numbers are bouncing around. They are tracking on the downward trend, she said. We will see what happens these school holidays. This week will be a week that will really be able to tell us whether we have passed the peak. She did, however, indicate West Australians won't see mask mandates lifted anytime soon, saying they had been one of our most successful baseline public health measures to limit transmission. I think masks will probably not be lifted too early because they have genuinely helped slow down that transmission, Ms. Sanderson said.